D-Man Darren coming in live. No drinks deep yet. Don't you worry, we'll get there. We got a couple slapperoonies of ribs. One of them there. Getting the second one ready. What you gotta do to get these pups ready? First thing, gotta get this membrane off. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in. First introduce yourself. That's rude of me. Okay, or don't. So we got this little here membrane. Take a paper towel. And that's all it does. Pull it right off. You just don't need to cook this. Doesn't have any flavor. It just makes it tough. Look at that. Look at that. You snack on that later. Or floss with it. That's what I do. We'll see you in a Darren minute. Thank you, Gabriella, for introducing me. Alright, next up. Gotta rub down a little bit. Check out the mint. A little bit of olive oil on there. Just a touch. Just a touch. What we're gonna do. Anything that Darren's dust, as you can see, just packed in there. It takes a couple minutes to get it going. And then that happens. But what we're gonna do, basically cover this. We'll be back in a minute to show you what it looks like. They do kind of sound similar. A little bit. Darren's back. Hitting the liquor now, finally. Gabriella said it. The ribs are liquored up too. With Darren's dust bought online. No, you can't. Here's the guest. We're not sure of his name yet. We're gonna give him a name through as the night goes on. The liquor names. Darren doesn't name the liquor names, so we'll have a name for him later on. As of right now, he's our guest. Yeah.
It's potato salad. No
Cheers, Darren. Yeah, it's Darren. We're back here again. No big deal. 420. The song was on, so it was fitting to come on. We got it on. Looking for 250 temp. We're at 242, almost right in the dot. Blue smoke's rolling out. That's what we want. Couple hours to go. It's Darren. Still the unknown. We're gonna come up with a name yet. The liquor has not decided the name yet. We're still waiting. Mills, settle down, please. Gabriella.